Guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the caramel pumpkin spice coffee. And I'm starting with my shaker cup, and I have warm water in there. And I'm adding 4 scoops of our house blend coffee. And this is a mega serving, so a 32 ounce. I'm adding 4 pumps of pumpkin pie Torani syrup. I'm drizzling some caramel around on the cup. And then I'm going to add some cinnamon. I added ice, and then I'm going to pour my contents of the shaker cup into the cup. Add some more caramel to the top, and then some cinnamon. And that's it. That's how you make the caramel pumpkin spice iced coffee. Thanks for watching.